Today we're going to do a quick division. We're going to divide 527 by 6. And we'll do it in a special way. First we'll look at the number here and we'll say how many times does 6 go into 5? It won't, but it'll go into 52 8 times, right? 6 times 8 is 48. So it's 8. That will leave, from 48, that'll leave 4. So we put the 4 over the 7. We haven't used the 7 yet. So now we look at how many times does 6 go into 47? Well, we know that 8 is too much. So 6 times 7 is 42. So it'll go into it 7 times for 42. 42 from 47 leaves 5. And we put the 5 here. 6 will not go into 5. So we say 0. We put a little dot. Now we say to ourselves, we make it to a 50. How many times does 6 go into 50? Well, we already said that 6 times 8 is 48. So we got an 8. Now from 50, or 48, it's going to be 2. So there's 2. But now since we're past decimal point, we look at these numbers as being tens. How many times does 6 go into 20? 3 times for 18. And that leaves 2. So again, so it's going to be 3s forever. So the answer is 527. 6 goes into that. 87.83333. It's very simple. And once you look at that, you're going into the decimal points. Now, let's say if you were to say, well, this is just 87 with a remainder of 8. Well, when it comes to finances, you have to go decimal points, because if this were millions and you just brought it down to the 8 and forget about all the 3s, you'd lose a whole lot of money. So going to the full number is very important when it comes to division. Practice that, learn that, and be able to do a whole lot more with these long division. Thank you.